Hello everyone, this is Bishop Fix-It-Upper. I had a problem with my microwave that the microwave door would not open. You press this button and the door just would not open. I found out that there was a part or piece that goes on the part back in here was broken. That little round part there was broken. So when you press the door, it would not open. So I had to replace that part. This is the part that I replaced. This unit is the GE Profile microwave. And so I had to replace that part. You see there where on the part where it's very like a light gray area where that piece sticks out, and there's a wheel that goes on that piece that helps the door open. This part number is WB14X10049. It's called a board latch. That's the part, the board latch. And if you have one of these microwaves, the GE Profile, also once you get it out the wall, at the top of the microwave, you have an envelope. You should have an envelope. It has a diagram of the part that needs to be ordered. It has a diagram. This diagram shows all the parts. And so as I found out when I opened the envelope, there's the part right there. Is this unit right there, which is the board latch. The board latch is what I had to order. And the part number, once again, is WB as in boy 14X10049. That's the part. And so I had to order that part. It came in today, and I was able to put it together. And so that's the issue. Now, as you see here from the back, when I press the button, the door opens. It opens now. Press the button, the door opens. Operate from the back. You see that? That part, that piece of the board had broken, the hatch board. So now put everything back together. Hope this helps someone. Now I got to put the unit back together, back in the wall. Thanks very much for watching. This is Bishop Fix-It-Upper with a GE Profile microwave. GE Profile microwave. I hope this helps someone today.